It starts with numbers, and this is the sort of the shape of our age, I believe. It's called a power law. You may know it also as a Pareto. Vilfred Pareto was the Italian economist who observed that 20% of the Italian population had 80% of the land, leading to the 80-20 rule, the notion that a small number of things have a large impact. Low frequency, high amplitude events. Earthquakes are distributed in power laws. A small number of big earthquakes and a large number of small ones. Populations, cities are distributed in power laws. A small number of very big cities and a large number of small ones. The shape is kind of a 1 over x. It's an exponential. It's the simplest possible curve, and yet it turns out to be absolutely ubiquitous in human affairs, economies, and nature itself. Here's some actual data from Rhapsody, which is a subscription online music service. It benefits from unlimited shelf space. What you have here in the red part is the albums and songs that are available in Walmart, which is America's largest CD retailer. It has about 4,500 albums in the average Walmart. So these are the hits, and these are the albums that Walmart has and Rhapsody has. Down here in the yellow, these are the niches. These are the albums, tracks, and other songs that Walmart doesn't carry, but Rhapsody does. What's notable about this is that although through some complicated math involving converting albums to tracks, I calculate that the Walmart inventory is about equal to 25,000 tracks. Rhapsody right now carries 1.5 million tracks. iTunes carries about 2 million tracks. The peer-to-peer networks are looking at about 9 million tracks. There's probably 25 million tracks out there somewhere in vinyl, live, remix, all the other songs that are out there and could be and will be brought online. What you find is that although we'd assumed, the retail channels had assumed that those niche low sellers were insignificant, sub-economic, just not worth carrying. In fact, when you add them all up, those onesies and twosies are starting to amount to significant markets. In music, they are closing in on half the market is now stuff not sold in Walmart. At Netflix, about a quarter of the market, a quarter of their rentals are things that aren't available in a Blockbuster. At Amazon, it's also about a quarter of the books now sold on Amazon are books that aren't available on a Barnes & Noble or Borders. All those numbers are growing. It looks like we're trending to an era where about half the market is sold through traditional retail channels, and the other half of the market is only available through these sort of abundant, unlimited channels, such as with online in particular, but also things like the U.S. Mail, another powerful network, as Netflix revealed.